If you're someone who gets stuck in decision paralysis, then you're in the right place. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling something we all face, decision making. Decision making can feel like a big challenge, especially with so many choices to make every day. These methods will help you how to make decisions faster, better, and less stressful. Let's jump right into the first one, the 5-minute rule. Something won't matter you in 5 years. It should not take more than 5 minutes to decide. This simple rule helps keep things in perspective, especially for those small decisions that tend to snowball into overthinking. Let's take an example of 2 lipstick shades or between 2 mugs. Will you care about this in 5 years? Probably not. In a week, you're likely to forget about it. So, just trust your instinct and make a choice quickly. The second rule is the coin flip or chit rule. This is a very fun approach I use when I'm stuck between 2 options. Is the coin flip or the chit rule. When I can't decide between 2 things, I flip a coin or draw a chit from a hat. Let's say I'm deciding between 2 tech gadgets. I'll flip the coin, but as it's in the air, I'll suddenly realize which one I actually wanted all along. It's like a little gut check to see what I truly want. And this gut check will keep all the factors in my mind, like price, durability, portability, etc. etc. Jumping to the third and very important rule, which is set a decision deadline. Setting a timer creates urgency and helps you stop overthinking. It's a great way to make quicker decisions without second-guessing yourself. Let's take an example. You're choosing between 2 outfits. Set a 10-minute timer and when it goes off, make your decision. You'll be surprised how much easier it is to decide when you have a limited time. Even I used this when I wanted to create my YouTube channel. I created a deadline on my calendar that on this day, my first YouTube video should go. I follow is trusting past decisions. You've made good choices before and you can get it right now as well. Don't doubt yourself. Remember when you picked your favorite pair of shoes without a second thought? Trust that same judgment when making smaller choices, whether it's a meal or a new gadget. You've got this. Now let's take another example. When you're trying to prep your meals for the week, you also want to try something new. But trying something new will add up to more energy in researching the cooking method, utensils, etc. etc. Then why not just go with the past decision and make a healthy meal? The last one is, what will happen if I don't decide? Finally, ask yourself, what will happen if I don't decide right now? Sometimes the fear of making the wrong decision is worse than the reality. If I don't pick up a new phone today, what's the worst that could happen? I'll just decide later and life goes on. It's not the end of the world. The world will not fall apart, right? If you don't buy that trending dress or that trending gadget, you have a family to feed, you have food on your plate. That's so much more important than these small things. And there you have it. 5 simple strategies to make faster, smarter decisions without all the stress. Remember, making mistakes is okay, and acting quickly can often lead to more fun and less anxiety in the long run. Start by using these strategies for small decisions, and as you get more comfortable, you can apply them to bigger ones too, like buying your next stock or buying some expensive gift. And if you're still struggling, don't worry. Decision making is a skill that gets better with every decision. So, that's all for today's video. Found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on how to live smarter, happier and less stress-free life. See you next time.